Do you know about the initial boost? If not, let me tell you. It is something that if you use in your video, the impressions of that video will increase by 2 to 3 times. Yes, I am not joking. Many big YouTubers have used initial boost in their videos. I have also used it in some of my videos, and the impressions are in the millions. And you know, the more impressions, the more views. Now the question arises, what is this initial boost and how to use it? In this video, I will explain everything to people. So, let's talk about how to use it without any skill. What is initial boost? In simple terms, it encourages you to come up with different ideas. Many people do it, but their videos do not get shown, nor do they get impressions, because they use it incorrectly. They share the link of their video to boost it, which results in neither views nor impressions. Now the question is, how to boost your videos correctly so that you get good views and impressions. First of all, if you are watching your videos by sharing the link, stop doing that. Secondly, follow the steps I mentioned. First, gather all the mobile phones you have at home. Create 55 IDs in each mobile. If you have 2 mobiles at home, you will have a total of 10 IDs. Use these IDs to boost your video, but do not do it by sharing the link. You need to do it by titling your video correctly. Many people's videos do not show up, and I have a solution for that too. Once you publish your video, copy the title of your video and search for it. If your video shows up here, click on it and then click on the search filter. Select the last hour and apply it. Now see all the videos uploaded with that title within an hour. If your video is older than an hour, select 2 days. Okay, and if this works, your video will also appear in the search list. And if you think that after giving an initial boost, your views and impressions will keep increasing forever, you are completely wrong. Impressions and views will increase rapidly for a while, but not forever. And if you want impressions and views to keep coming, you can watch my video where I have explained everything in detail.